Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to recover old WhatsApp accounts without SIM in few steps. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is open your WhatsApp. So once you open your WhatsApp, click on these three dots on the top right corner here, then click on settings. Alright, so scroll down to help right here, click on help, then click on help center. So once you click on Help Center, what you need to do is click on this Contact Us button right here. So here it says, tell us how we can help. All you have to do is just type in how to recover my old WhatsApp without SIM. Alright, so once you then click on next. So we have multiple options here. So once you're on this page, you can click on any options you see. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the first option. Alright, so here we are. Alright, so once you're on this page, all you have to do is scroll down to how to recover your account right here. So it's simple. So you just have to follow these steps that right here, and once you follow these steps, you can recover your account very easy. So this is just all you need, how to recover your account, then follow the steps and you can recover your account without SIM. Alright guys, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Alright.